Really?
It was so funny the last time we were there. She took pictures for Joe.
Like, oh, you're strangling your mother.
How did you get it off?
Just in case you come around in a hard of hearing.
Watch this. Let's see if he'll do this. Come here. Let's show him this knock on the door. Put the bottle down for a second.
Okay, wait, let me sit up. Oh, Mama, did you choke him?
Knock, knock, knock on the door. Oh, you're not going to do it. Wait a second. Okay. Knock, knock, knock on the door. You're not going to do it. Doing. Knock, knock, knock on the door. I was acting like You're not going to do knock on the door.
Look at him smiling now.
Yeah, no, no. No, no. You can look, don't touch. Knock, knock. Oh, bash. No, no, Casey. We have one like this, but it had marbles in it.
Look at him.
Who, me?
There's Uncle Jamie watching TV. Oh!
Pants are... Your pants are tripping you up.
Okay.
Please no. Please no. Oh, turn it on for the camera light over there. Say hi.
Here's the mother. Casey.
They didn't even come down to your house. It's like you're stuck. Too bad. That's not yours. No, no. No, no. You're Jamie. Al's not in swing. He's in swing. Look out the window. Snow. Look at all the snow. He's videotaping them. Jamie's videotaping it. Jamie and Anna. No? Big bite. Look at all that snow.
Oh, I accidentally got you on there.
Something's going on.
This is Mama after 4.5 hours sleep.
Kisses out of stone. Where's the phone?
This is breakfast. Oh, what a lovely meal.
Satan?
Would you sit down and get your
There's nothing wrong with my life. You know, before I came here, I had a career, I had friends, I had...
There is no existence, and romantic lover once he's dead. You're fooling anyone.
For Knox County, and he's online with us live this morning, or this afternoon, I should say. It's now after 12, so hello, John.
When you're having fun.
Big pardon?
Time flies when you're having fun.
Oh, I'm just having a blast.
You got any lights on there yet?
No. Can you do anything about that?
No, I can't.
Well, thought I'd ask.
We may have a bigger priority than your life right now.
I understand.
Sewage treatment plant is last hour, so thinking about getting out for whatever reason, you know, we can't tell them strongly enough not to get out. There are some legitimate medical emergencies.
Thanks a lot, John, and of course, keep us updated on that situation. You can put me off here for a minute.
For the championship in the automatic NCAA bid.
Most of the time when you anticipate games like I had anticipated this one, they disappoint you. But this game has been great.
Catching you in all your happiness.
For all three of the times, these
Have anything you want to say to the camera?
Joined the conference. The
It is not 20 degrees outside.
Seems it's 4 different kinds of oats. Each one is a different grain, different taste. It's delicious. It's healthy, but not boring. I like it.
The multi-good taste of multi-grain Cheerios. Discover it for yourself.
The next morning I get up, the box is empty. The kids discovered it.
Toyota Corolla's affordable, and it's been a best market in America for 25 years. Your Toyota dealer invites you to step up to a whole new level of Corolla. New levels of room safety performance. Corolla, with definite family influences from Camry and Lexus. For a limited time only, there's a Corolla special lease program.
Anna, let's dance for the camera.
America than ever before. Toyota's simply irresistible sales event on now.
That's great.
You just keep on saying.
What am I gonna do to you?
Woman, if you want to keep that arm, you better get it off her. Who are you telling, Qua? I don't know who you are. I don't know what you are. Come on, dude.
Anna. Anna, you're left-handed. Throw it with your left hand.
Me too. Ready? Aim. Fire. Did I hit you? No. We're on video. No, he's taping us. Snowball fight. Snowball fight. Help me. No, that's what I'm doing. No, I'm rolling the top. The top's the smallest. See, I can. He's rolling the middle. Bottom's the biggest. See, this one won't roll.
Snowplows are here. And above ground electrical wires operate using thousands without heat and record cold.
Hold it. Let me get it on video.
Get an up fiber in the dark. Here, stick fingerprints all over Alice's window.
The money you save on unnecessary base structure spend on things that we really do need to spend money on. In particular, the personnel.
What are you doing?
and the technology will have no significant operating.
Getting a permanent record.
Of what? Of the snow?
I thought you had over like a green. You said $1,000. I got it right. Mine's not gonna hit. Okay. Throw snowballs at the camera! We've been practicing. I wish we could get it over here. We did practice. Aim at the bottom of it. Get it over here. Whoa! Daddy, you haven't shown the camera on me yet. Me neither. Whoa.
You did not. All right, don't keep throwing it up here on the porch.
This is March 16th. 4 days, or 3 days after the storm. This is Tuesday, March 16th. The storm was Saturday. Dumped supposedly 22 inches out here. A historical storm. Now we're going to try to sneak and catch the children playing gleefully in the snow. Well, I can't find Jamie. Are you dizzy yet? Maybe I could take... Here's my little boy playing in the snow. He just won't give it up. He just plays and plays and plays.
Hi, Mommy. We're making a snow fort.
I see. He's with his next door neighbor, Sean. Just playing. They've been sledding.
Let's make it but we gotta make it like about this high. I know, but we got all that. Now that's a good question.
Anna, what are you doing? Let me see you. What are you doing? Anna. Anna, I can't see you.
I'm upside down, Mommy.
Okay, I'm going to go in though. I'm done.
Do you have anything to say to the camera?
Yeah. And I might get another bowl of triples because the blueberry squares, they're not very filling. Hello, camera. I'm eating breakfast, as you can see.
And here they come. Hi, Casey. Hey, boy. What you do? I'm taking your picture.
Yeah.
Is he talking to me? Hello. 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 What's that? Huh? Give me a laugh. Come here. Come here. Casey. Hey.
Do you see a cord? Oh, what's it do?
Why don't you tell your mom to buy you some new clothes?
Telephone! Telephone! Hello? Hello? Get it! Casey, go get it! Get it, Charlie! Please!
Hello?
You pointing. Yeah, boo-boo. Yeah, boo-boo. Yeah. Nah. Nah. What? Why are you being so cute today? Okay. This way.
Casey!
You're on camera. Come here. One more. Look.
Yummy, yummy.
Come here.
Purple stuff.
Like that. I'm gonna do that. Come here. Can you give me a kiss? Can you give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Is that my earring? Where's the other earring? Where's the other earring? Yeah, you're sweet. Yeah, we. Give me loving. Give me loving. Love. The camera. Give loving for the camera. Give loving to me. Loving. Give me little loving. He gave me loving. Fish. Fish. Give me a kiss. Can you give me a kiss? Can you give me a kiss? Oh, well. Oh, well. Here, Casey.
What are you taking now, Daddy?
Hair. My hair. Did you unplug those curlers? Yes. Are you not going to take this food? Can we not put it in the suitcase? All right, Casey, what else you want to steal from them? Want a bite? Want a bite? Not good either. Don't get me crying.
Honey,
We had our cry last night, Melissa. We gotta go.
Ready.
gotta go to the airport. It's 12:03.
12:03. We gotta leave. Come on, Casey.
Like my coat I made while I was here?
That's beautiful. How many placemats was that? 12 placemats.
Okay, come on. Come on.
Y'all head to the door. I've got you on camera.
Get that shoe back in there.
Okay. Want me to carry them? No.
Oh God, do we have to see next?
I know.
Don't give me.
Bye.